Excel 2010 Essentials Lesson 4. In this lesson, you should be able to do the following. Construct formulas in a cell, create basic functions such as average, sum, count, min, max, and use the if function. The easiest type of computations are formulas. When entering a formula in an Excel, there are very specific steps that need to be followed. First, Excel needs to know that it is a formula. So you go to the cell where you want the formula to enter the cell. In the following spreadsheet, A1 contains the value 1, B1 contains the value 2, and C1 contains the value 3. In order to add those values, the following steps are followed. Select the cell where the results needs to be, in this case D1. Key the equal sign. Key or click A1. Key the symbol for the operation, a plus in this case. Key B1, plus sign, C1, plus sign, and press the enter key. The cell D4 will contain the number 4, however the formula bar will show the formula equals A1 plus B1 plus C1. Formulas are very effective in doing computations, however they're not the best way to do computations. Suppose there is a need to add the numbers from 1 to 10 in cell A11. For a task like this, Excel uses functions. For example, with functions, Excel can very easily calculate the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10, or find the average of these numbers. Functions are very useful when there is a need to do computations of a list of values. The most common function of is the sum function. Excel makes addition of numbers an extremely easy task by providing the sum function. If there is a need to add the numbers from 1 to 10, all is needed is to find the cells where those values are stored, in this case A1 through A10. Since the sum function is the most common Excel provides the button AutoSum for using that function. The steps to use the sum function are as follows. First, you need to select the cell where the results need to be stored. Let's say A11 in this case. Click the AutoSum button. Excel automatically selects cells A1 through A10. Press enter. Cell A11 will contain the number 55, which is the sum of range of values A1 through 10. However, the formula bar will show the formula equals sum A1 through A10. Clicking the drop-down arrow next to the sum button will show other popular functions such as average, count, numbers, max, and min. The average function, as the name implies, will return the average of the selected cells. The count numbers function will count the number of the selected cells. The max function will return the largest value in the selected cells. The min function will return the lowest value in the selected cells. In this example, if I wanted to find the average of grades A2 through A9, then all I have to do is click on the AutoSum button, select the average function, and then go to cell A10, click the average, and then press enter. The formula bar will actually show the function equals average A2 through A10. However, A11 will show the actual answer, which in this case is 81.125. To use the count function is a very similar process. Count function will count the number of grades. The max function will find the highest number and the min function will show the lowest grade. The if function in Excel is one of the easiest and most practical of the logical functions in Excel. The if function returns a specific value if the condition is evaluating is true, and a different value if the condition is evaluating is false. Let's say that there's a need to tell a student whether his grade is passing or failing. Grade above or equal to 70 is passing, and a grade below 70 is failing. These are the steps that are needed for the if function. First, you must go select the cell where the results needs to be, in this case B2. Enter the if function as follows: equals if open parenthesis A2 greater than or equal to 70, common, quote, pass, quote, comma, quote, fail, quote. Press the enter key. B2 will show the word pass because 95 is greater than or equal to 70. When you copy that formula from B2 to B3, then the word will show fail because 55 is less than 70. Congratulations, you have just completed Excel Essentials. Please print your certificate of completion. Looking forward to Excel Level 2.